Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, in this informative video, we will guide you on how to obtain a PAC code from a Lebara. So, a PAC code or a simply we have to say porting authorization code is essential when you want to switch your mobile phone number from one network provider to another. So, we will explain the step-by-step process by requesting a PAC code from a Lebara, ensuring that you have the necessary information and document at hand. So by following instruction, you will be able to smoothly transition your number to a new network without any hassle. So stay tuned and learn how to get your pack code from a Libra today. So let's start. We have a method for get a pack code. So in first method we have to using a online method. Visit the Libra mobile website or a port out a quest page. Then you have to select get pack code then tab and input following details: Libra mobile number, Libra account, mail ID, and then reason for moving the network you want to switch and click on verify number. Then once the request process, you will get the pack code. Simply this link we will provide you in a description box to get you. You have to go through this link with easily and going to this tab. Like you have to wait for this opening, run the website in your system. And after you open this, you have to follow the instruction. We will provide you in the PPT. Then after we have to go into second method using a text message. So in the message body, you have to type their PSC without quotes to indicate your request for a pack code. Send the text message to this number 65075. Then wait for the response from Lebram while contacting your pack code. Once you receive the pack code, you can process with transfer your number to another network provider using this code. So these are the some simple method of using via online or via text. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. Get your pack code from a Lebra. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in the next video.